Hello everyone, welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. I'm Jacob Letman. Good to have you here. If you came for the donuts and coffee, I am so sorry. I ate all the donuts and there goes the end of the coffee. Sorry about that, but stick around for the great video content because we have a hot topic. That's right, a hot topic, hot button issue going on in Rideshare right now that I want to cover. Big shout out to our 20,000 subscribers here on the Rideshare Hub channel. You guys are awesome. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button so you can get updated when we come out with great new content like today's video, so you can stay updated on all things that are Rideshare to make you a more efficient driver. Also, I want to give you the gift of some cash back on your gasoline fill-ups by switching to the GetUpside app. In our video description below, there's a link there. You click on that, download the GetUpside app, sign up using our code. You'll get 15 cents back initially on, on your first fill-up, and then you'll continue to get cash back after that at participating gas stations in your area. All right, hey, I want to jump right into this video topic because I'm losing some sun here behind me. And so here's the deal. This started out as one thing and kind of morphed into another thing as I got down the rabbit hole doing my research. Excuse me again. Sorry, I think those are gone now. And so the issue is Lyft is phasing out the ability for drivers to look at each individual ride and see the breakdown of what the passenger paid and what our takeaway earnings from that are. So I'm going to scroll down here. So to find this information, right, you're just going to go into your dashboard, your driving history, and currently, here's what they're phasing out, right? So I'm going to pick a random day, and this Tuesday here, and we'll scroll down, we'll look, we'll just grab, we'll grab this ride here. And so you get some information, right? I made $12.19, what time I picked up, dropped off. You could click on this view earnings breakdown, and this is what they are phasing out. So you'll see Lyft received $1.83 platform fee, service fee for $4.88. The passenger paid $17.07, and I made $12.19. Now, if you do the math on that, which I did, last one, hopefully, sorry. Jeez, I just started smoking, chain smoking, and I can't stop coughing. That's not true. I breathe a lot of essential oils, though. Okay, so they're phasing this out, and drivers are like, what the heck? Why are you getting rid of that? Why would we not be able to see that breakdown? So Lyft's answer to that was, well, according to our drivers, they want an easier way to see their earnings breakdown and blah, blah, blah. I think it's BS, personally. There's no reason why we shouldn't be able to see this. Again, I did the math on this, so passenger paid $17.07 and I made $12.19, which is about 75% me and 25% them. Now, when Rideshare first got it started, right, Uber was taking 25% and the driver got 75%. And Lyft, I think, started maybe at 20%, then they shifted 25%, whatever. Here's what I found. That doesn't exist anymore. Listen to me again. That does not exist anymore. I found this on the website. So this is kind of how this shifted. So that was one issue, right? They're taking that away. They're phasing it out. And we'll cover what you'll be able to see now. I'm going to go back to, let me go back to that page on the screen. But let's talk about earnings real quick. So, blah, blah. Hold on. Sorry, trying to get this screen in the right place. Okay, good. So, this is on the Lyft website as far as fares are concerned. Quote, your pay is based off the time and distance of your ride, not necessarily the amount your passenger pays. This is necessary to maximize the number of ride requests to ensure you're consistently earning. Excuse me. For example, we may increase the passenger's fare when demands are high or discount the fare when demand is low. You want to know what that means? That means that what your passenger pays Doesn't mean squat about what you're making. Now, they're saying that that could mean the passenger could pay less and you could make more. But I've done some research and I don't believe that is what's going on at all. So basically, we're talking about two separate formulas completely. The driver, we make time and distance, right? We know that. Time and distance. What they show the passenger, if you've been a passenger, when you click request a ride, totally different algorithm based on, yes, traffic and what demand is at, blah, 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 XYZ, right? So you're like, okay, whatever, is that a big deal? Check this out. So what I did just click on here on the screen, if you saw that, that was the detailed earnings report. And this is what will be replacing the ability for us as drivers to look at each individual ride and see the breakdown. That's going to be phased out, and what we'll have is this weekly breakdown. Now, right, so it covers things like all the normal stuff, how many rides, booked miles, booked time, online time, that's all great. Cool. Your earnings, ride earnings. Now look at this. Okay, so we scroll down here, right? Ride payments, $702. That is what, in the week, that the passengers paid. And my takeaway was $396.27. Now, for those of you that are good at math, you're doing some quick math in your head, hopefully, and you should be concerned about this. This is a very big red flag. So, here, let's do this too. My tips were $59.61. So let's take that out of the factor. So 702, we'll do a little math here. We'll let a calculator app catch up to us. All right, so 702, and we're gonna just round that up. It was about $60, minus $60. That was the tip number again. So $642, that is what the passengers paid. Now, okay, so 642, remember that. 396 minus, I think 396 minus 60. 336, is that right? Yeah, 396 minus 60. 336. Okay. So, I took home 336. Tips are out of it because that's a separate thing. We just get those, right? So I just want to take those out. So, 642 times, I think it's about 51, times 51. Okay, so 327. Let's try that again. 642 times 52, 333. Yeah. Is that right at that number? 60? Yeah. So, are you guys following me here? That times, that formula I just did, I was finding out what so basically my take home was 52% of what the passengers paid in my rides. 52%! They made nearly as much as I made. So, yeah. So, here we go. What is that? Sorry, 642 minus, shoot, I'm forgetting my numbers. 396 minus 60. Yeah, 336. Okay, so 642 minus 336. They made $306. I made $336. We almost made the same on me driving. This should infuriate you. The way that this started, so I've gone through and I've been checking. Lyft is taking way more than 25%, you guys. I implore you to please go in your driving history and do this math. Do this. Oh, shoot. Hold on. Bear with me. My screen recording was falling asleep on me. You have to go in your driving history. You have to do this math. I'm so curious to find out what percentage Lyft is taking from you. I was really floored by this. And so it just all feels very shady to me. The whole way that everything is calculated, first of all, is I did research for a couple hours. And it is not crystal clear, very murky, right? And I was under the impression that we made 75%, Lyft took 25%. They did away with that. It's on their fare, it's on the website. You can find it there, exactly what I read to you. And now they're taking away this breakdown for us to see each ride and calculate that, right? So I think something is a little fishy in Denmark. All right, so here's what I would really appreciate you guys to do. Jump down in the comment section below. For one thing, let me know your thoughts and feedback on this. If you are aware of this, good for you. If not, you're shocked like me. But go into your driving history, look at those reports, do the math to see how much the passengers are paying and how much you're taking and what percentage they're taking away, because I think they're making a boatload of extra money that they don't want us to know about. That's just what I found. And furthermore, sorry, I have a lot of thoughts and energy on this. Furthermore, I tried to get in contact with Lyft today. I spent well over an hour. There is no customer service number anymore. There's not a number to call. There's an emergency number if you're in an accident, and that's literally the only number I can find. So I sent him an email. I said, there are some things as far as my earnings that I would like to discuss. Please have a representative contact me. Has not happened yet. Haven't gotten an email response yet. So if I do get a response, I'm going to record that conversation. We'll do a follow-up on this. But I just wanted you guys to know. So again, your homework, if you will, please go into your driving history, do the math on this. And so basically the easy way to find it is you just look at what the passenger paid and take the tips out of that, multiply it by 0.75, and you would see the number of what you should potentially make if they were doing a 75% us, 25% them payout. And if it's less than that, let me know, okay? All right, you guys, I think this is really important. It seems really shady by Lyft to me. That's all I got for you. So again, jump down in the comment section below. Thoughts and feedback, much appreciated. We'll continue this discussion. I'm Jacob Lettman. This is the Rideshare Hub. You guys rock. Until the next time, drive safe out there, everybody.